enthrall, mesmerizing. So mesmerizing is something which is fascinating. Fascinating समझते हो?
Yes, ma'am.
Fascinating, interesting, मतलब magical. That is mesmerizing. So maybe अगर कुछ भी आप you saw someone, you saw a girl and she was mesmerizing. She was fascinating. She was attractive. So at that time you can use this word. Or you had some experience that was mesmerizing. So you can use it. Okay. And then we have next word which is enthusiastic. Enthusiastic. And what is enthusiastic? You have enthusiasm for something.
Yes, ma'am.
What is that?
Like for bodybuilding.
Okay, yes, perfect. Perfect for bodybuilding. You have that. How do we pronounce this word?
Eager.
Eager.
Yes, ma'am.
You are. What is eager? Okay, what is eager? Hindi mein bhi you can tell me.
मतलब मैम
You have the eager to learn more and more about bodybuilding. Eager होते हैं जानने की उत्सुकता, जानने की इच्छा कि हम जानना चाहते हैं इसके बारे में और. जैसे I have the eager for teaching. I have the eager to learn more about IELTS. You have the eager to learn more about IELTS speaking. You have the eager to improve your IELTS band score. You have the eager to move abroad. Okay? So this is eager. Then we have funny, hilarious, amusing. आप जैसे आप हो क्लास में बैठे बैठे पता नहीं मेरे सामने बैठ के हंसते रहते हो. You find things funny. You find things hilarious. You can say I find things amusing. So what you can say is that whenever I am in, Isha ma'am's class, I don't know why I'm always smiling because maybe I find things hilarious. Maybe she is, she's having a tone which is too funny. She's amusing. She's hilarious. Okay? Okay. Moving ahead, angry, annoyed. This so you understand, right? Angry.
Yes, ma'am.
What is annoyed?
Ma'am, like गुस्सा.
Yes, absolutely. Absolutely. Then it's embarrassing, shameful.
Yes, ma'am.
What is embarrassing? How do we pronounce this word?
Embarrassing.
Okay, and the next word?
Shameful.
Yeah. Can you give me a sentence by using the word embarrassing?
Today I feel very embarrassed at my writing.
Okay. So the next word is depressed.
Yes, ma'am.
Depressed. Depressed also you know, right?
Yes, sad.
Okay. Then we have contentment and satisfaction. Pranav, please take the note of this word and even star mark it that you can use the word contentment. Contentment होता है satisfaction. Satisfaction. जब हमें किसी चीज को करके satisfaction मिल जाती है, जब हमें अच्छा फील होता है उस चीज को करके, then we say contentment. I was contented after doing this. Contented भी बोल सकते हैं हम. Or you can say that I was feeling satisfactory after the completion of my IELTS exam. After giving my IELTS exam, I had the feeling of contentment. तो दोबारा से इस वर्ड को बोलकर देख लो, contentment.
Contentment.
Contented.
Contented.
Then we have admire, adore. Admire and adore, you understand?
Ma'am, no.
No, okay.
मतलब इच्छा.
हाँ, sort of इच्छा. Admire के लिए can you make one sentence for me?
मैम उसका हमको मीनिंग नहीं पता. Kind of
Admire का मतलब होता है अगर कोई चीज हमें attractive लग रही है. For example, you may admire a girl. You may adore a girl. You may admire a girl. So that's something which is attractive to you, something which is fascinating to you, something which you find is beautiful. Then you can use the word admiration or you can adore it. Now just repeat all the words, just pronounce all the words from starting to end that I've told you. Be quick. From joyful.
Joyful.
Hmm.
jovial, mesmerizing,
Hmm.
enthusiastic,
Hmm.
hilarious,
Hmm.
angry, annoyed,
Hmm.
embarrassing,
Hmm.
depressed,
Hmm.
contentment, admire, adore.
Okay, so please give me a sentence with the word contentment.
After getting my IELTS speaking, Trisha ma'am, I feel very contentment.
Contented. मैंने आपको दो वर्ड्स दिए ना,
Content.
contented भी मैंने बताया ना,
Okay, ma'am.
CONTENTED, contented. So contented is third form. तो mostly आपको contented ही you'll be able to use. Contented. Okay. So after giving my IELTS speaking with her, I feel contented. अभी आज जो भी हम क्यू कार्ड पढ़ेंगे, you have to use these words. अभी this is for our tomorrow's class. I'm not going to teach you. So you have the list of words that I gave you that day, and I have added few words today also to your vocabulary. So now I'm going to ask you part 1. This will be like a real-time IELTS exam. I hope there is no one to disturb you. Shall we start?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Welcome to the speaking session of IELTS exam. My name is Isha, and I will be your examiner for this part of the test. And I'm going to record this for marking purposes. May I see your passport?
Yes, here's my passport.
What is your full name?
My full name is Pranav.
How may I address you?
You can address me by saying Pranav.
Okay, Pranav. So for part 1, I will ask you a couple of questions to get to know you better and some questions on general topic. Where is your hometown?
My hometown is in Punjab. It is a small district and it is a tri-junction called Pathankot, which connects Jammu or J&K, Himachal, and Punjab.
Do you like your hometown?
Yes, I like my hometown. It's a very peaceful area where I live in, and from when I was a kid, I used to live here.
Okay. What is your hometown like?
My hometown is like a very peaceful area and very non-polluting area and a clean area.
What is the oldest place in your hometown?
There are a lot of old traditional older spaces in my hometown. While there is a Mugdeshwar Dham temple, it is the very oldest temple in the Pathankot, and it is from the times of Mahabharata.
How could your hometown be improved?
My hometown could be improved by improving the facilities of streetlights and roads, and especially the uh, mm, industrial development.
So that's the end of part 1. Now let's move on to part 2. Here is your note paper and a pencil. You will have 1 minute to look at the questions and think about your answers, and then you will be given 1 to 2 minutes to speak. And you can take notes in 1 minute if you wish. I'll tell you when to start and when to stop, and your 1 minute preparation time starts now. Pranav, your time is up. Please start speaking.
While there are a lot of there are a lot of talents a person born with, especially I born with the talent swimming. Swimming is my hobby and I used to do it regularly in the summer days. I was a kid, I was a 14 years old boy when I started swimming and I discovered my swimming talent. There are a lot of styles of swimming which I want to improve. But today I would love to talk about the butterfly stroke swimming. I want to improve it, and I want to improve the speed and stamina and endurance of this stroke. And I also want to break the timing of my previous record, that is in 25-meter pool, that is near about 14 seconds. And I feel very jovial while swimming, and it's a very high cardiovascular activity, and everyone should do swimming to get rid from obesity and to live a happy life. La-
Okay, Pranav, let's move on to part 3, where I'll ask you more questions related to the topic. Do you think artists should focus on their talents?
yes, artists should concentrate on their talents because they want to improve it and should get better in the field that they choose.
More. Is it possible for us to know the children who are 3 or 4 years old will become musicians or painters when they grow up?
Well, in the 3 or 4 child does not know about his talents, and and it's very difficult for a younger one to see his talent. When he grown up, he recognizes talent.
Okay. Do you think parents feel guilty for putting too much pressure on their children?
Yes, parents should be guilty while putting a lot of pressure to their children, because children are the new generation of the period. So children are like the molten state of iron in the recent in the childhood stage. So she'll let and ma'am nahi bas
Why do people like to watch talent shows?
people like to watch. There are many reasons why people some watch it for the entertainment, some watch to improve their own natural talent, and while other use.
Yes, while
Members
others?
members.
Okay. Do you think it is more interesting to watch famous people or ordinary people's show?
Can you please repeat the question?
Do you think it is more interesting to watch famous people's or ordinary people's show?
Uh, According to my viewpoint, I believe that we have to watch the ordinary people shows, because we can find the hidden talent of them, and when we get to know the the
Okay, that's the end of part 3. Pranav, क्या problem क्या है? Why are you smiling?
मैं भूल जाता हूँ मैम, बीच में
It's
मतलब
okay.
वर्ड्स भूल जाता हूँ.
Examiner के सामने you're going to say ma'am bus, ma'am bus. Ma'am is not slapping you over there that you're saying ma'am bus, ma'am bus. What is this? And what has happened to your specs? Why are you always touching your specs? Is it loose? Why are you always doing
Yes.
this? Or you're hiding your face, you're anxious, you're nervous. Tell me what is happening. Why are you always doing this? Why you're always see why you're doing this? To hide yourself? I am able to see that you're hiding yourself, you're anxious. कि चलो एक second के लिए छुपाने को मिल तो रहा है, कुछ तो कर प्रणव. बच से बच।
मैम वहाँ पे कहते हैं कि वीडियो कॉल पे आप कुछ टच नहीं कर सकते, आप अपने हाथ में नहीं ला सकते वहाँ पे।
तो क्यों कर रहे हो फिर ये बार बार, क्यों कर रहे हो फिर ये?
मैम अगर वहाँ पे स्पेक्स अगर ऐसे नीचे गिर गई
तो इसको टाइट करा लीजिए फिर।
यस मैम।
ओके, आई स्टार्ट फ्रॉम द वेरी बिगिनिंग।
ओके मैम।
वेयर इज योर होम टाउन? आई हेल फ्रॉम पंजाब। नोट डाउन द वर्ड आई हेल फ्रॉम पंजाब, HAIL,
HAI
हेल
हेल
फ्रॉम
फ्रॉम
पंजाब।
पंजाब।
So rest of the answer was correct. आपका part 1 was the only part that was correct. And if you're going to speak like this, the examiner is going to give you 5.5. कि मैम बस, मैम
5.5।
बस, ये मैम बस, you cannot use Hindi over there. मैम बस, मैम बस, मैम is not beating you. That मैम बस, मैम पता नहीं जैसे कौन सी मैं यहाँ पे शर्मा शर्मा के मैम मैं पागल हो गया हूँ, आप मेरे साथ क्यों मेरे ऊपर इतना अत्याचार कर रहे हो? ऐसे तो you behave. Why you behave like that? एक लाइन बोलने के बाद मैम बस,
मैम आई
ऐसे
कांट बी सीरियस।
I can't be, but then you need to be serious. You cannot be serious. Okay. Okay, I'm not saying you to be serious, but you cannot say कि चलो मैम आप तो जबरदस्ती कर रहे हो कि मैडम जल्दी चल अगले क्वेश्चन पे, तू भाई कर क्या रही है? You are
मैम जैसे
you
आप
are showing that.
मैम जैसे आप मतलब कि जैसे मैं आपको बोल रहा था तो जैसे आप मतलब कि सुन रहे थे सारे आंसर, तो अगर एग्जामिनर भी अगर जब मैं बोलना रुक गया तो उसका भी वो बनता है ना, मतलब फर्ज बनता है नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन पूछना, बच्चों को यहाँ तक ही
नहीं
आता है।
नहीं, आप you cannot tell your examiner कि भाई तेरे फर्ज क्या है। वो अपने फर्ज अपनी मर्जी से निभाएगी, अगर उस टाइम पे आपको उसको नहीं निभाने दोगे तो वो अपने मार्क्स में बता देगी अपने फर्ज।
मैम निभाएगा निभाएगा मैम। मैम बिकॉज मैम आई डोंट वांट अ लेडी टू माय एग्जामिनर। यस मैम।
Is it, are you even in your senses? You are going,
मैम नो
you
मैम। मैम वो मैम मैंने बहुत लोगों से सुना है कि लड़कियां नंबर नहीं देती।
ऐसा नहीं होता है। If you go, if you see, I'll tell you. What was your cue card? It was only for 1 minute, 0.58 seconds, 0.58 seconds, not even 1 minute. And you're like, bus ho gaya mera. How can you do that? It is mentioned, it is the rule that you have to speak for 1 to 2 minutes. देखो, let me open the cue card और मैं आपको cue card बोल के दिखाऊंगी. Describe a natural talent that you want to improve, like sports, music. Okay. I will speak this. I don't have much knowledge about swimming, but still I will just try at what I can speak. Okay. Since my childhood, I have been observing multiple things, hobbies, and co curricular activities around myself. And I have landed up to few things in my bucket list that I wish to learn. And in my priority list is swimming app, definitely. I would like to mention that I have been watching some TV channels that show the tournaments of swimming that really fascinates me towards learning swimming. Also, I have discovered that swimming helps us to combat our breathing rate and reduces the heart diseases, which is again one of the most important reasons why I wish to learn swimming. Furthermore, I would like to mention that by learning swimming, I will just have that stigma removed from my mind that what if the floods come, I'll be just able to save my life by swimming, which could be a funny or a hilarious thing for most of us. Furthermore, I would like to mention that I haven't indulged myself into swimming as of now, but after this COVID period ends and all the swimming pools near my home will be open and accessible, I would definitely go and book my own slot to learn this new skill, which I wish to improve more and more since my childhood days. I still remember that in my school days, we used to have swimming classes, and I was in the pool for around 1 to 2 weeks. But due to the study and co curricular activities imbalance, I was not able to continue with my swimming classes. At the end, I would like to mention my emotions, that what I feel about this skill of swimming. I believe that our human body requires physical activity on daily basis to keep ourselves running and to prolong our life expectancy. At the end, I would just like to conclude by saying that as soon as this COVID is going to end, I'm going to enroll myself in swimming classes and just learn the skill of swimming and own it, and maybe in future I'll participate in state or national level competitions of swimming. That's it.
मैम
Now,
आप इतना अच्छा बोल लेते हो।
नहीं, मैं तो अच्छा बोल लेती हूँ। आप ये देखो, मेरे को कुछ नहीं पता स्विमिंग के बारे में। I don't even know a
मैम
single. See what I have done. मैंने सिर्फ गॉसिप की है, गप्पे मारे हैं मैंने कि चलो ठीक है, बचपन से चाहती थी, अभी कोविड की वजह से कुछ कर नहीं पा रही हूँ, फिर चलो ठीक है, थोड़ी बॉडी भी ठीक हो जाती है, गप्पे ही मारे, मैंने तो कुछ किया ही नहीं। और
नहीं मैम, the terms you are using are very good.
now thanks for
Big
that,
terms.
but I'm just trying to show you that this is how you need to say your cue card and you cannot. और दूसरी बात, मुझे पता था कि मुझे स्विमिंग के बारे में नॉलेज नहीं है, मैं इसलिए बहुत धीरे धीरे चल रही थी, इसलिए मेरी पेस बहुत स्लो थी. You notice that my pace was, I
Yes
was in
ma'am.
a bit slower pace. Why? Because I knew that I didn't had words. I don't have much knowledge about swimming. That's why. So in case any topic comes where you know that I won't be able to speak much about it, then just slow down your pace. पर इतना भी slow नहीं करना कि examiner को समझ आ जाए कि okay, this child is playing a trick with me. Okay? Moving ahead to part 3. प्रणव, पार्ट 3 के अंदर हर क्वेश्चन का आंसर कितनी लाइंस में देते हैं?
मैम 43.
और आपकी नहीं प्रणव, आप अपने हिसाब से बताइए ना, आप कितनी लाइंस में देते हैं? आपका कितनी लाइंस के बाद बस हो जाता है?
1 2.
1 to 2 या हाफ लाइन के बाद ही मैम बस हो जाता है? You are yourself saying that you have to speak in 4 to 5 lines, and you are giving me every answer in one line. And then when I'm saying you that you'll get 5.5 out of that, and then you're saying me I'm सिर्फ 5.5. 5 देके ना भगा दे वो. 5 देके ना भगा दे वो. जब बोला है कि भाई you have to speak in 4 to 5 lines, and one line, after speaking one line, you're saying ma'am next question, ma'am bus. You cannot do that, Pranav. I'm not scolding you or something like that. I'm just saying you that when you know you have to speak that much, या तो you आपको पता नहीं. अगर आप मुझे आंसर देते ना 1 to 2, तो मैंने आप कह देती ठीक है यार, इसको तो पता ही नहीं कि भाई 4 to 5 में देना. But when you know, then you have to gossip. अब हम दोबारा से क्वेश्चंस को करेंगे. Do you think artists with talent should focus on their talents? Give me the answer. Do you think artists with talents should focus on their talents?
एक बात बोलनी है मैम, मैंने ये सारे क्यू कार्ड्स पहले के पढ़े हैं, पर मैम मेरे को याद होते हैं पर मैं बोल नहीं पाता.
तो बोलो ना, अभी बोलो, कोई बात नहीं, सुन रहे हैं, बोलो.
आप क्वेश्चन पूछिए.
दोबारा से.
क्या था?
दोबारा से.
Yes.
Do you think artists with talents should focus on their talents?
Yes, artists should be focused on their talent because each artist have to improve themselves and their talents to perform better in like swimming or like singing and dancing. Everyone should practice more and more to receive the higher result. So everyone should focus on their natural talent or the other talents. बहुत है इतना.
एक लाइन और हो सकती थी. अच्छा, मेरी बात ध्यान से सुनना. पहली बात तो बार बार सेम वर्ड नहीं यूज करना. आपने so you use so twice. You started a line with so and then you started the other line also with so you don't have to say so. I will give in tomorrow's class, I'll give you the list of connectors. I'll take the class on connectors first and then I will move ahead. Okay, moving ahead, you know the connectors, otherwise
Yes.
then why you don't use them?
Mama, I forget to use.
You forgot. I don't want to insult you.
नहीं मैम, मेरे पास है. However, moreover, although beside this, inspired
then
this.
why don't you use them? वो
In
IELTS के
addition,
एग्जाम के बाद आप यूज
undoubtedly.
करोगे. IELTS की स्पीकिंग के बाद you going to use them.
आगे
कहाँ गए? नहीं, ऐसे तो मेरे पे डायरी देखो, ये भरी पड़ी है ऐसे. मैं पॉलिटिक्स. You know what? I'm a very. You know what, Pranav? I am not a very what we say lenient kind of a teacher. ऐसे हंस के ऐसे चश्मे पे हार लगा के क्लास में निकलती मेरी ऐसे टाइप्स की हूँ नहीं मैं.
Ma'am, if you were my examiner, what score you would give to me?
If you'll speak these Hindi words in front of me, ma'am, oh बस ma'am आगे चलो next question करो.
No,
I will
ma'am,
say
in the
you.
examination,
I will say you.
I
See,
will not.
whenever we are practicing real time IELTS exam. Pranav, है ना? We
Yes,
are
ma'am.
practicing that. So you have to
Yes,
behave like that it's happening in real time. You cannot use Hindi words. You cannot say, okay, ma'am, I will not do that over there. How can you do that? Why are you doing it here then? When you will not do it there? I told you, no, we'll be practicing 2 IELTS speaking modules, real time IELTS test every day. है ना?
yes,
You
ma'am.
remember? So when we are practicing, then you need to keep yourself mentally in that state that you're giving a real time IELTS exam. You getting my point?
Yes, ma'am.
Now I will give you the answer to the question. Do you think artists with talent should focus on their talents? Otherwise, you've given me the correct answer. So I don't have to give it. Just add 2 words to your list. Whenever you have to say yes and no, you have to say absolutely right. Right, absolutely right. You'll not
Absolutely
say
right.
yes. You'll say absolutely right. I believe in this. Absolutely
Yes,
right.
right.
Or
I
you can
believe.
within this, Joby, whatever the question has been asked to you, you can write absolutely right and I believe in this statement. Like in this question, the question was, do you think artists with talent should focus on their talent? So you can say absolutely right. I believe in this statement because of this and this. Okay. And the other word that you can use is certainly yes. Certainly yes. मैं इससे ज्यादा वर्ड्स नहीं दूंगी, मैं सिर्फ ये 2 वर्ड्स दे रही हूँ. इन 2 वर्ड्स को याद कर लो. कहीं पर भी मतलब जहां पर भी yes या no में आंसर देना होगा ना, तो वहां पर यूज कर लेना absolutely right या फिर certainly right. Otherwise
और
also
अगर मैं बोल रहा हूँ
no बोलना हो तो उसके लिए हम बताएंगे. And then आप यूज कर सकते हो definitely yes. Definitely yes. देखो अगर मैंने आपसे कोई क्वेश्चन पूछा और एक स्टूडेंट है जो मेरे सामने बोल रहा है yes I feel this because of this, और दूसरा स्टूडेंट है जो मुझे बोल रहा है definitely yes I believe in this because of this and this. अच्छा कौन सा लगा?
definitely yes बोला.
Certainly yes I believe in this statement because of this. Absolutely yes I believe it. और इसमें कुछ मुश्किल नहीं है. डर भी लग गया तो भी अगर हर रोज प्रैक्टिस कर लोगे फॉर नेक्स्ट 1 मंथ, अगर 12th अगस्त तक हर रोज स्पीकिंग प्रैक्टिस की मेरे साथ, हर क्वेश्चन में पूरे आइल स्पीकिंग में एक जगह तो आता ही है ना yes या no वाला क्वेश्चन, मे बी 2
Yes,
क्वेश्चंस हो
yes.
सकते हैं. So if you practice every day, even if you're talking with your friends and they're asking you anything in yes or no, you can say certainly yes, you can say absolutely yes, absolutely right, absolutely correct, definitely yes. ठीक है. ओके. डर तो नहीं लग रहा?
No, ma'am.
हाँ, ज्यादा खौफनाक तो नहीं है ईशा?
नहीं इतने भी नहीं.
Okay. Moving ahead to next question. Is it possible for us to know the children who are 3 or 4 years old will become musicians or painters when they grow up? So again, this question needs to be answered in yes or no. So what they're asking, is it possible for us to know the children who are 3 or 4 years old when will become musicians or painters when they grow up? Okay. So what do you think?
I don't believe in this statement because at the
रुको. डोंट नहीं बोलना, डू नॉट बोलना. आइल्स के अंदर कॉन्ट्रैक्शंस के लिए नेगेटिव मार्किंग होती है. से डू नॉट. जैसे कि कुंट, वुंट, डोंट, दैट्स नहीं यूज होता. यू हैव टू से वुड नॉट, कुड नॉट, डू नॉट. ठीक है. नाउ स्पीक.
I do not believe in this statement because when a juvenile is of 3 to 4 years, he will not he's not recognizing his talent. So at the 3 to 4 years age, children. मैम इसका आंसर आप बता दो.
मैडम आई कांटेक्ट रख के आंसर्स देने हैं. Someone is sitting there?
No, ma'am. I was just staring at the wall.
Then don't stare at you need to have eye contact with your examiner. Okay, I'll tell you the answer of this question. Is it possible for us to know the children of 3 to 4? No, I don't believe in the perspective that a juvenile of 3 to 4 years would be just able to assess himself or herself with their talents just because of the simple statement that they're not in that mental state to know better about themselves. No child at the age of 3 or 4 can decide that whether they wish to be a musician. Maybe at the age of 12 that they are able to decide that they want to go into research or they wish to be a sports person. So parents or any other relative or maybe that children itself cannot force themselves or decide their futures just at the small age of 3 to 4 years when they are in the age where they have to enjoy their life, where they can decide that yes, they're completely dedicated towards some certain passion or certain hobby that they're going to continue for their entire lifetime.
मैं इतना लंबा आंसर
सॉरी क्या कह रहे हो?
मैंने कहा इतना लंबा आंसर
इतना लंबा
मुझे
आंसर
ऐसा
में
लग
तो
रहा
और I could have spoken more, I could have spoken more.
मैं इतना तो मेरा क्यू कार्ड होता है.
No, Pranav, these were just 3 to 4 lines. These were just 3 to 4 lines or maybe 4 to 5 lines. That's it. और मैंने कोई बहुत इसमें कोई भारी चीजें नहीं बोली, सिर्फ घुमा फिरा के बोल रही थी. कोई बहुत अच्छे पॉइंट्स मिले इसमें? नहीं ना?
मिले थे.
Okay. So you've understood what I'm saying? शायद when I will
Yes,
speak, then you will understand more of things, right? ठीक है? कुछ तो समझ आ रहा है?
हाँ जी मैम.
बिल्कुल पक्का आ रहा है? तसल्ली तो नहीं दे रहे?
No, ma'am. I'm not giving you satisfactory.
Do you think parents
content.
feel guilty for putting too much pressure on their children? Do you think parents feel guilty for putting too much pressure on their children?
Yes, that's absolutely right. Parents should be feel guilty by putting pressure on their younger one, because by putting pressure they can be in some danger.
Eye
They
contact.
they can be some in dangerous mental state by pressuring the child. The children should not be pressurized what to do and what not to do. Everyone should have right to do their own choices and to make decisions.
और बोलो और थोड़ा सा gossip.
और बोलो.
Yes, gossip more.
Conversely, I would recommend that. मैं और नहीं बोल सकता.
मैंने बोला और बोलो. Shall I repeat the question? Shall I repeat the question?
No, ma'am.
Then speak.
So children should let their decision to their own, and parents should motivate and encourage students to do what they want to do.
Okay. प्रणव, अगर कभी भी ऐसा लगे ना कि मैं आंसर और नहीं बोल सकता, एग्जाम्पल दे दिया करो. एग्जाम्पल दे. फॉर इंस्टेंस क्योंकि हम एग्जाम्पल एक्सप्लेन कर सकते हैं. आप और जो इंस्टेंस दे रहे हो ना, आप बोल दो आई हैव ऑब्जर्व्ड इट इन माय नेबरहुड. I have observed it this in one of my friends was facing this, or this happened with one of my aunt's child. Give me examples. ठीक है? बोलो अगर कभी भी ऐसा लगे कि मैं नहीं बोल पा रहा हूँ और एग्जाम्पल बोल.
To cite an example, I have noticed in my neighborhood that they put a lot of pressure on their child to do what their parents want to do, and at the last, but the child suffering from the trauma.
Words देखो, words जो मैंने लिखवाए थे. The child is suffering from depression. Negative word देखो वहाँ पर कौन सा था?
The child is feeling embarrassing for himself and depressed.
ठीक है, दो vocabulary के words भी आ गए, example भी आ गया, length भी बढ़ गई. ठीक है,
और कुछ
और क्वेश्चन?
हाँ जी, अब मेरे को थोड़ा कॉन्फिडेंस बिल्ड हुआ है।
हाँ तो ईशा इसीलिए ही है। I told you ना, many students in my class they always say थोड़ा तो मैम कॉन्फिडेंस फील होता है। Anyhow, moving on to next question. Why do people like to watch talent shows?
While there are many reasons that people watch talent shows, some of the masses watch talent show to for the only the entertainment purposes, and on the other hand, while some watch for the uh, while some other watch to see the talent of the person
Hmm.
and his lifetime story
Hmm.
and
बहुत एंड हो गया, इसके बाद बोलो मूविंग फर्दर।
moving further.
Hmm.
Some people and some people और क्यों देखते हैं हम लोग?
Maybe just to refresh themselves so that they may feel relaxed, they are able to enjoy on their weekends because they love to see the hidden talents of other people, and they get motivated, they get to know better about themselves. Maybe they get motivated by participating in some competition. For example, if they have seen some participant in the reality show, in the dance reality show, they may also find time out of their busy schedule to just practice dance, to learn dance, and that can give them happiness.
Okay.
So why do people like to watch talent shows?
While there are variety of reasons
अब
why
अच्छा,
people
सुनो
watch.
सुनो सुनो, ध्यान से सुनना है कि बहुत बेसिक टिप है, हर जगह काम आएगी। जब भी
हाँ
फॉलो
जी,
अप क्वेश्चंस में ना आपसे कुछ पूछा जाए जिसके आपके पास आपको लगता है कि पॉइंट्स है मेरे पास, तो कभी भी क्वेश्चन का आंसर ऐसे नहीं देना कि देयर आर मेनी रीजंस बिहाइंड दिस। तो आपको कहो, बिकॉज अगर मेनी रीजंस बोल दिया और आगे जाके रीजन सिर्फ दिए दो, तो एग्जामिनर को पता लग जाएगा कि ये कुछ नहीं है इसके बस का। आगे तो बोल रहा था देयर आर मेनी रीजंस दैट आई वुड लाइक टू डिस्कस, तो लाइन नोट करो क्या लिखोगे। वेल आई वुड लाइक टू डिस्कस, लिखो वेल के बाद थोड़ा सा पॉज देना है, वेल आई वुड लाइक टू डिस्कस
आगे
few reasons to explain
ओके
this,
मैम।
few reasons, to जो भी आपकी स्टेटमेंट होगी वो तो डिपेंड्स ऑन द क्वेश्चन। तो कभी भी ये नहीं बोलना देयर आर वैरायटी ऑफ रीजंस, देयर आर मेनी रीजंस, बोलो लाइन ही लग गई जी रीजन आंदी नहीं जी, नहीं ਆਪਾਂ नहीं ਲਾਉਣੀ ਲਾਈਨ, ਆਪਾਂ ਕਹਿਣਾ ਜੀ few reasons ਹੈ ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ, ਸਾਨੂੰ ਨਹੀਂ ਪਤਾ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ। ਫਿਰ few reasons ਭਾਵੇਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ 3 4 ਦੱਸ ਦੋ, 5 ਦੱਸ ਦੋ, 10 ਦੱਸ ਦੋ, ਉਹ ਕੋਈ ਪ੍ਰੋਬਲਮ ਨਹੀਂ, ਬਟ ਕਹਿਣਾ ਆਪਾਂ few reasons ਹੀ ਹੈ, ठीक है। So you can say, you can start a line, well, I believe, or well, I think that there are few reasons for this, which I would like to discuss. And then you're telling your reasons, maybe आपने 3 reasons बताए, 2 reasons बताए, 4 reasons बताए, and after that you're helping them with some examples, ताकि आपकी length बढ़ जाए। अब मुझे इस question का answer देना बिना रुके। Speak at least 4 to 5 lines. Why do people like to watch talent shows?
Well, there are few reasons why people watch talent shows. One of the most reasons to enjoy their weekends and to feel very relaxing after watching the shows.
Hmm.
And on the other hand, some masses watch it only for the recognizing the talent of themselves and the others. And for example, if a person is weak in his talent, so he or she
Eye contact.
could improve he or she could improve in her talent.
Example, yes.
एग्जाम्पल ही दे देती है।
ठीक है, next question पे move on
और
करते। Do you think it is more interesting to watch famous people or ordinary people's show?
मैम द आंसर विल स्टिल बी सेम।
What same?
मैम जैसे उसमें अगर मैं बोलूंगा कि ऑर्डिनरी